I think I like this so far. Let me hurry up.
I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to bag it up.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by RPGShow. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now this install is gonna be real quick because I got things to do and my hair needed to be ready. So RPGShow said we got you, and got me they did. Hello. Before you start watching this video, understand this price point is not for everybody. We at the top tier of price points when it comes to this joint. Now I do have a $100 coupon, but when it comes to the overall price, you're gonna pay them ducats for this look, okay? But keep on watching because I want you guys to see what you get for that price point. It's also something saying the girl got her Wawa today because not only am I sweating because I was moving real fast, but it's also 8 o'clock in the morning. Who is drinking this early? I mean, but when it's time, me and the wine gonna be like this. But anywho, before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGShow. All the specs of my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I have exactly 1 hour to get my hair done, put my makeup on, get dressed, and get out the door. It's summertime and the kids got a lot of activities and I'm running late. So I'm gonna get myself together before I wake the kids up so we can be ready to go when it's time to go. This is their new Glueless 2.0 wig. They have updated the plucking of the unit as well as the bleaching of the knots to give you a more scalp-like finish. They've also updated the cap construction to make a more glueless fit around your dome so you can wear this unit without adhesive or glue. It does have the combs in my wig. Y'all know I don't use those, but I may use the back one just to make sure she's gonna be secured down. It already has the elastic band attached in the unit, so you don't gotta worry about putting that in. Thank you. And you can just pretty much plop this wig on and go. So I'm just going to tint a little bit around my hairline. That's just a normal thing I have to do for my lace, even if it's HD or transparent, like this one is transparent. I just wanted to make sure it's gonna blend down to me. So a little tinting goes a long way, okay? I'm using the Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder, any color milk chocolate, around the hairline, get them edges. I'm pretty sure they sent me the standard size, so we'll see how it fits on my big old dome. Get it over. I got the wig to fit. Let me pull that back so I can see my cap under there. That's that transparent lace showing what it can do. That's a little humpy up there. From the pictures and the review I did see on this wig, I thought it was gonna be silky. I was wrong. It gives the texture and a very natural density. This is the standard density. However, they do have a thicker density, which I think is like 200%. So if you want more hair than this, go ahead and get that, okay? I think I like this so far. Let me hurry up. This is gonna be an easy install. Y'all see what's already happening, right? I didn't wash the wig. I don't think I gotta curl it either. They didn't send me no clips. As much as this wig is, you better throw some clips in there. That'll round out the packaging, okay? Didn't I tell y'all this before? Let's make sure I ain't cut my hair off, did I? Okay, I hope not. That is fitting around my head real nice, okay? I'm looking at a blurry image in this mirror, so I hope it's what I think it is. Yeah, get off. All right, let me make sure I don't get my hairline in the way. I wanna keep the hairline intact. This razor's a little choppy. Let me get my other one. There we go. There she is. Bring my sides back down. Use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline to mold this down. I don't need to switch anything because it's straight. So I'm just molding the hairs as they are. It's a mold, not a hold, okay? So if you lift it, it will lift. It is meant to be glueless, but that doesn't mean you can't glue it down. Do what works for your wig. I don't think I'm center. I'm off center. Dang it. Go ahead and brush these hairs back like that. They did send me a band. Thank you. I feel like I got a lot of lace right here. Yeah, I do. So let me just cut this off. Hold up. There we go. The more lace I have showing, the more I need to blend. So I don't want to have too much lace showing. Let's wrap it down like this. Let me go ahead and do my makeup real quick. Let's just go ahead and brush this hair out really quick. Do I need to bump it? I mean, this bump is actually looking pretty decent. I'll probably just flatten it out with my blow dryer really quick. Where's my comb? Probably gotta take my wrap off for this. Let's go ahead and do that. Ooh. Get the glasses off. Oh, let's get this part situated. Okay, no glue. I need to flatten this out though. Ah, come on. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high heat and move fast to flatten this out. It comes with a 13x6 parting space, a good amount of parting space to do what you need to do. Tuck this little piece back here behind my ear. Get a little edge control just to make it all neat and pretty. Brush this back for a little lift. I'm just gonna put a little bump right here, nothing crazy. The smell of this hair is bringing back like childhood memories. It smells like the beauty shop. Like the hair is giving perm. Hold up, my part is not right. Put a little wax right here. Lay it back down. Little wax on top. I'm getting shedding as I'm combing through this wig. Watch out for that. Tip my lace one more again since I moved my part right up in here. Hold on, I got some flyaways popping up. Oh, dang it. This is what I get from moving fast, not paying attention. Top it off with some hairspray. And I am done. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so here's the final look. Nice and simple, okay? I barely needed to use a curling iron. Hello, when you paying the money for these type of wigs, I expect this quality, okay? Now the shedding, I don't really know about the shedding, but the rest of the wig, I'm here for it. Now, what I will say about RPGShow, this is only my second time trying their wigs. The first one I tried was a curly wig, and after wearing her a couple times, I did receive a little bit of tangling and shedding in the hair, a lot more than I expected. So I do suggest you condition their wigs just like you would any other wig. Don't take the price point and it being high quality as you not needing to do any of that, especially because they color treat their hair. They're not going in and giving this wig a protein treatment. So make sure you understand that if you decide to buy this wig or any other wig from RPGShow, especially the ones that are color treated. But this is the final look. Y'all see how we coming? Look at the body. Oh, I'm a little bent back there, but shh. We still look good though. Christmas is almost here, so Daddy Papa's are on the line. Do you hear me now? Okay, come on, sis. All right, I gotta go. That's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to RPGShow for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.